You look to me very lovely.
It's the starlight.
There is magic here, isn't there?
It's the starlight.
Must have covered quite a lot of ground last night.
Do you remember that much?
I remember everything. I bet you think I don't remember your name. Well, I don't. But I remember we were up at Pierre's on the roof.
Stargazing.
Hello, Moon. I'm looking for the Pleiades, the Seven Sisters. But these girls aren't out tonight. Oh, yes, they are. There they are, God bless them. All in a bunch going home from their little bridge party.
May I kiss you?
Why do you always ask me if you may?
Juan, ¿verdad que es hermosa la luz de la luna? Mira, ¿has visto alguna vez tantas estrellas? Millones y millones. Y qué cerca parecen estar. Como si uno pudiera alcanzarlas con la mano.
I climb the ladder of love to reach for the star.
I'll reach for the air. I'm in no mood for astronomy.
That star is so far away that by the time the light from it reaches us here on Earth, it might not even be up there anymore.
Boy, you sure know a lot, don't you, Pilot?
Astronomy is in all the library books, Perce. Nothing to it but reading.
Still, it's wonderful to know things.
Take variable stars, Algol, for instance. Now, Algol's periodic change of brilliance is...
I know. Over a period of 2 days and 21 hours, Algol goes through a change of more than one magnitude and a surprising change of brightness.
Qué bueno que hay noches con luna para podernos pasear.
Just any night. Tonight there will be no morning star.